Yeah, as hello, good evening. As you can see, this is Tierod because this Tierod got bent. It has a jump alignment because the way the driver drove it, he ran into a big pit and the Tierod bent. Now I just make as a manual repair. I put heat with oxygen. Then I use JCB to press it to become straight. So now we are about to fix it. It's from this vacuum tanker you are seeing, the Mercedes. We are going to fix this one now. Thank you, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Anytime I post a video, you can notify and like. Bye.